this is Nicole Whitlock with eCom Seller Summit, and today I have with me the awesome, the amazing Mr. J.R. Cagle. Hey, JR, how are you doing?
All right, how's it going, everybody?
I am so excited to have you as part of the summit. So let me tell you guys about the summit. So the eCom Seller Summit is an online e-commerce conference. It's 100% online and it's absolutely free. It's an opportunity for you to learn whatever you want to learn about e-commerce. We talk about everything from Amazon to eBay to Shopify to Walmart, you name it. We discuss it. Etsy, we got them all. And the great thing about the eCom Seller Summit is we bring so many amazing speakers. We have 30 amazing speakers for this summit. This is actually our third annual summit, number 3, third annual summit. And I'm so excited that JR is going to be speaking. All of our amazing speakers are going to be speaking February the 22nd through the 25th. You can click on a link up above or down below. Get registered right now for the summit. Again, February 22nd through the 25th. Since it's 100% online, you don't have to go anywhere, so that makes it easy. And JR is one of our speakers. So JR, can you tell them a little bit about your topic, a little bit about you, a little bit about your topic?
Sure. I'm going to be talking about retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, and a little bit of wholesale. And for those of you guys, most of you may be familiar, but retail arbitrage is just basically finding good deals in stores and flipping them for a profit on Amazon, Walmart, eBay, wherever. And online arbitrage, same idea, except you're doing it online at .com stores, for instance. Wholesale, obviously, we know what wholesale is. And as for me, excuse me. Anyway, I've been selling full-time on Amazon for almost 8 years. I did almost 1.4 million last year, had my best year ever, and I'm on pace to beat that again this year. I just started on Walmart also, but I'm not going to talk about that yet. I'm still a newbie on that. But yeah, I mean, I do Amazon full-time. I do some instructing on the side, but my main income is from all my Amazon sales. So I got to go out there and make my sales because that's where my income comes from. And it's been a good business to me and I enjoy doing it. Strive to get better every single year. And I source from a whole variety of stores. Some of you guys may know me as that Target guy because I source the heck out of Target. It's my number one source. But yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be talking about. I'm going to give you guys some tips, pointers, some just ways to source, what have you. So that's what I'm going to be talking about. And hopefully it'll be some useful information for everyone, whether you're a beginner or you're advanced.
Okay, so here, guys, I know you heard his number, 1.4 million in profit on Amazon.
Not profit, sales.
Not profit, sales.
Profit was good, though. Don't get me wrong.
Profit was good. I'm sure profit was not anything to cough at. But $1.4 million doing retail and online arbitrage. Like, there's a lot of people who don't believe that that's completely possible. And I want you to know JR is amazing. JR has always had amazing numbers. And I'm so excited for you because you got 1.4. That's a lot. So what I want you guys to do is just get registered for the link up above or down below right now, February 22nd through the 25th. And let me just say that all of our speakers are giving away some amazing bonuses because we want you to upgrade to the All Access Pass. The All Access Pass is your opportunity to gain access to the recording so you can listen to JR over and over and again in your ear as he's coaching you on how you can increase and double your sales in retail arbitrage or online arbitrage if that is your business model. So JR is going to tell us about his amazing bonus that he's going to be giving away to all those people who make the investment in their business and upgrade to the All Access Pass. So JR, what is your amazing bonus?
So this is the one for the paid bonus?
Yes.
Okay. So the paid bonus is going to be, I'm going to make a target sourcing video, probably be about 30 minutes to an hour long, but just showing you basically all the tricks I use for sourcing at Target and how you can make good money, just Target alone, really sourcing there. If you want to just use it to make a little bit extra money, it's easy to do. And if you want to make some more than a little bit of money, hey, you can use these tricks also. So I'm going to put that together in a video that you can just click on, watch, rewind, what have you, and it'll be there for you to check out. So be some good profitable tips there.
Okay. All right. So I want to see this video. I'm sure that you guys want to see this video because he is clearly crushing it with Target. He's clearly crushing it. So all you have to do is first you got to get registered. Click on the link up above or down below. And then you want to upgrade to the All Access Pass so you get this personal recording that you will gain access to be able to see what his strategies are, how he does it. And you guys don't want to miss this. Oh my gosh, like that is an amazing bonus. I can't wait. I can't wait. So I have one last question for you, JR, as we get ready to leave What is one of the number one questions that you get when you're helping people in their e-commerce business?
I think maybe the biggest thing is just really where do I source, or what should I buy? Just kind of that general stuff there. I think that may be the biggest question most people have, and it's a lot of times it's a lot easier than you may think. So,
Okay. All right. So, what should I buy? I'm going to go with that. What should I buy? And so, here's the deal. If you want to know the answer to that question and much more, register for the summit, upgrade to the All Access Pass. You'll find all this amazing information about JR, and he's going to give you a video that's going to help you with use his strategies when you go to Target, because I'm sure you got a Target in your area. So, JR, I thank you so much for joining me
thank
today.
you.
This has been another episode of the eCom Seller Summit. We're just going to say bye for now.